Hello everybody. Today we are going to see how to generate unlimited number of AI videos locally, all in your system. No subscription, no payment. Let's just jump down. So we'll use ComfyUI and few models here to generate unlimited number of videos locally from your computer. I have 12 GB of VRAM graphics card RTX 5070. I have tested this in 8 GB of VRAM also. It works fine. I have shared two workflows in the description below. Get the links and download those workflows so that we don't have to make it from scratch. You can directly use it and I can guide you through that. So once you download it, it will be in your downloads folder. So I've downloaded these two workflows and you can see this is WAN 2.2 image to video workflow. We'll do that first and then we'll think about the audio, about the infinite talk. So just copy this that you have downloaded and go to your home folder where you have installed ComfyUI, and inside it go to your user folder, and inside user folder go to default and workflows, paste the workflow, go back to ComfyUI, and you can see in the workflow I only have a Juggernaut workflow. If you have seen my previous tutorial, I had shown how to generate unlimited number of AI images using this workflow. Let's refresh this. Once you refresh this, you'll see WAN 2.2 image to video workflow is there. You can also use LTX 2.3 is also released, but the quality of WAN 2.2 is much higher than LTX. The only benefit of LTX is audio along with video, but that can also be done through WAN through different workflows. So just click on this. So here you can see the workflow. I have got some errors because I don't have the models and stuff and other stuff. So here there's a guide as which says you from where you can download the models, and once you download it, you can place it in this particular folder in your ComfyUI installation. This is for models, and this is again for clip text encoder model that you can download from here and then install it in ComfyUI model text encoders. And then similarly you do it for VAE. You download this from here and you place in this particular folder conf model/VAE. Then there are certain nodes installed from the manager, which is ComfyUI manager. Okay, so these are the three nodes that needs to be installed. Let me go to this manager here, click it. You can see install missing custom nodes. Okay, just click on that and it will show you the nodes those are missing in this workflow currently. So just tick here, select all and click install. So once you do that, it will install all the three particular nodes here. Then you can click restart here, restart, click restart. Okay, so it will just restart your ComfyUI manager, and then it will ask you to refresh the browser so that you can see these three are installed. Okay, now I need to download the models. So this part is over, the nodes part is over. Now we need the models. So you just click here. I have used Q6. If your graphics card is lower, this works with 8 GB VRAM also, but in case if it doesn't work for you, you can go for Q4 quantization also for this model. So I'll just click here and it will take me to the website and it will start downloading. Okay, so you can see this is around 11.2 GB. So that's gonna take a lot of time, so let me just download and come back to the video. My download has completed, so now let's try and check this out. So I'll click my home. Here I have to copy and paste the model inside ComfyUI directory inside the models here, but I have a custom installation. You can go from pasting it in diffusion models here. You can paste the models here, but I have installed in such a way that I store the models in a different disks. If you have seen my previous tutorial, you might already know it, so I'll just switch on to that particular area. So in AI folder I have this models folder. It's similar to the folder that you saw. Now you have to place it in models, diffusion models. So this is the models directory. Now go to diffusion models and here place it under a folder called WAN 2.2. okay, so there is no folder. I'll make a folder named WAN 2.2. okay, so it's easy in a way to store these. So here you have to store both this one, the high noise, and the low noise. There are two models that you need to store here. So I have already downloaded it. I'll copy and paste those two models from my download directory here. Okay, so this is the high one, it's getting copied, and the second one is also getting copied. Similarly, I have downloaded the other models. Let's just see. This is clip download UMT from here. So and then paste it in the text encoders folder inside models folders of ComfyUI. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that also. Let's go to ComfyUI, but in my case, I have stored it in another location here. So in models, there's a diffusion model that we are currently using to copy WAN 2.2, and then we are going to text encoders here. So go inside here and copy paste this UMT5 model. So let me just copy from my download folder. Okay, and paste it here. You need not make any folder of WAN 2.2 as such, because these are commonly used text encoders, and the VAE are also commonly used, so you need not make folders for those. See here, I have two models being copied, and here I have another text encoder being copied. Now I have to copy the VAE. So go back to the models folder and then go to here, the VAE folder. So this is empty. I have to download and copy this WAN 2.1 VAE safe tensors. Okay, so I have already downloaded it and I'll copy it here. So I'll paste it here. So I have pasted the VAE also here. These are 3 files being copied. All my models are copied, downloaded. Now I'll have to refresh this once again. Okay, now you can see all the red highlighted stuff are gone because it can find my model here, since I have downloaded and copied it here. This is the high one. These are the same node unit loader. This is for high, this is for low. Just a surface level distinction, and then the other workflow follows the same. Okay, so here we have the clip also loaded. There's a single one in that folder. There's a VAE, there's a 2 VAE. So the first VAE is the one that we have to select. Okay, and then I have downloaded an image from internet, Foreman Portrait Red, and a prompt also for animation, so that we can test it. And here you can adjust the size and duration. I have kept it 480 into 832. These are the width and height that match the ratio of your maybe loaded image. You can match from here, so these are recommended. So I'm trying the least one so that it can generate fast. And here we have the duration. We can generate 3 to 5 seconds of videos. Let me generate 5 seconds. 3 seconds would be faster, but let me try the 5 second one. And then if you come, this is this right side, this is batch 1, so you can generate 1 video or 2 for 2 videos. So currently I'll generate 1 videos. These are 2K samplers, both for high and low. And here you need not do much here, just leave it. And lastly, VAE decode will be used, and video combined node is there with save output is equal to true, where it will save the video with the name prefix of name WAN video underscore number whatsoever. So we have around, I have 16, frame rate is 16. It performs best in 16, but you can test it out for yourself and zoom it out. Now this is the workflow, and let's just run this workflow for now. Let me just first check. This is my NVIDIA card, and around let's say 1.7 gigs are already being used because I'm using OBS for recording and other stuff. Firefox is there, and usage is low. You can see the resources. The memory usage is 10 GB, and GPU is not being used much. So let me just run the workflow. So when I click run, it starts from here, it's going in towards the right, and it's gone to end to image. You can see the percentage here, and let me check the utilization. You can see it's 100% utilization around. If I check my ComfyUI, it's running, it's still running, it's not completed yet. So the utilization is 100%, around 8 gigabyte is being used now. And you can check this utilization as well. I think it's over, so it is now decoding. The generation is over, it is decoding, and it will now add combine. So it's combining now. I think the process is over. Yes, it's done. So now you can see this is the video that has been generated from the image, a 5 seconds video. So what do you think about this video generation? I think that's good enough. You can right click here and you can save. This is the size, 16 frames per second, and this was the image here, and from this image this video has been generated, which is cool, isn't it? And again, you can, this is 5-second video, you can generate unlimited videos from this workflow, which is pretty much awesome. You can go to your output folder and check it out. I'll go to home, comfy folder, my output folder here, and you can see that I have this video, which is pretty cool, isn't it? So this video is generated by ComfyUI through an image, and this image is just an image from Google that I downloaded, nothing special. Okay, that being said and done, since you have seen how to generate videos, now you would be asking, or you'd be curious to know how to add audios to this. Okay, there are various workflows where you can generate random audios, you can generate music and other stuff, but we are focusing on this portrait. We are generating video of a character, and we need to use a voice, and then thereafter we can use different music as well. So for that, you download the second workflow and paste it in your workflow folder. Since we don't have it here right now, let me just go and copy paste into that particular folder. So I'll just go to my downloads folder, I'll copy this again, and I'll go to my ComfyUI installation folder, and inside user folder, inside default folder, inside workflows, I'll paste this workflow, Van Infinite Talk. So it should be shown here, but I need to refresh it in order to see that here. So let me check if it is there in the workflows. Yep, this is here. So once you open it, let me click it. Okay, so once you open it, there are also a lot of workflows here. Okay, and you can see the models for you to download, those are listed here, and these are all red on the right because I don't have those model right now. I need to download and install it. And then there's a node also. If you don't have, you need to install it through manager. Here you go to manager, you go to install missing custom nodes. It will show here, but I have it installed, so it's not showing in here. It's fine. So this is the only node, and these are the models. So download these particular models and place it in a folder named Van 2.1. Create a folder named Van 2.1 and place it there. So I'll go to my folder section here, inside models, and inside models I have to go to diffusion models. I had Van 2.2 in previous workflow, so I'll make Van 2.1. This is Van 2.1, it's empty, so here I have to put this model here. So let me just copy and paste that model. Since I have downloaded this model from here, it's in my download, and then I'll paste it in this folder. So this will take some time. This is a 16 GB model, mind you, so the graphics card of 8 GB VRAM may not be sufficient to run this particular workflow. Let me just copy the other stuff also. So I'll go to models, I'll go to LoRa's, and here I need a WAN 2.2 LoRa here, so I'll make a folder first named WAN 2.2. Inside it I'll paste this LoRa. Here I'll paste this light X2V LoRa, and then I'll go to model patches. I'll go in here, go back to models and go to model patches, and here I'll need to put this WAN 2.1 infinite talk. So I'll copy here the WAN 2.1 infinite talks single FP16. Then we have audio encoders to download and paste it inside of audio encoders folder inside models folder. So let's go back to models folder and then go to text encoders, and here we already have this text encoder from the previous workflow, so we need not copy it. You already must have it in your folder. So we have to go to VAE. Inside VAE we had WAN 2.1 VAE safe tensors, but we need this particular one, WAN 2.1 VAE BF16 safe tensors. So download and paste it there, paste it here in VAE folder. So all the pastings have been completed, okay, and nodes have been installed. So once you do this, you just have to refresh it. All of these which are showing in red should not show in red anymore, so just refresh this. And with Chinese, I have not pasted this one, it seems. Let me paste it again. I have pasted it here, and now let's refresh it. Okay, done. So you can see now that all of these are available. Now here we have to load a audio voice, so I'll just load Jayesh 5 seconds. So I have spoken audio, I need to hear stuff as well.
Hello, I'm Jayesh, nice to meet you.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, so this is a 6-second audio. So this is the audio that I have uploaded, and I want this audio to be
Hello,
used in
I'm
creating
Jayesh,
a video.
nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay, so this video is fine. I am using my image. You can choose and upload images. Here we have to write the character is talking. This is the character. We can't use heavy stuff like character is dancing and talking. That would be difficult, so that is part of some other workflow. Leave that there. Now here you can see the width and height. It will be similar video width and height that we used earlier. And on the right hand side you could see this is a video that is to be generated for 3 seconds, and then this is the part where we extend it to 6 seconds video. So if you want, you could just bypass this all, and you can save the output to true here, and you can make that as a 3 seconds video, but we will be making them as a 6 seconds video. So once it is done, this is the UI. So let's just run this workflow now. Before that, let me check if the models have been unloaded or not, if the RAM is free or not. So you see RAM is not yet fully free, so just click here to unload models, and then click here to free the RAM and cache, so that your machine is okay for running the next workflow. Now I'll click on run. Best of luck. So as you can see, it's going on. The green part is here, so I'll zoom in. Now it is in the WAN infinite talk video part. It's here, image part. Okay, done.
I'm Jayesh.
So first part you can hear, hello, I am Jayesh. Okay, the quality of this video generation from WAN 2.2 is better than that of LTX. In LTX you also get with audio, but the audio seems to be very much robotic, so I'm not following LTX right now. Let me know in the comments if you want to know. We can make a video about LTX where you can use LTX director also. There's an LTX director as well, so there you can make a whole set of video as well. You can see 100% of GPU utilization here also. RAM is being used 93% now. I hope it doesn't go OOM, out of memory. Okay, let's just wait and look at this one. And I think it's okay. Yep, 307 seconds and it's generated.
I'm Jayesh. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Right, this is the part where it says nice to meet you. So now output has been saved.
Hello.
So let me just go to my ComfyUI folder.
Hello.
This is the video.
I'm Jayesh. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, I think the video generated is not so bad since this has been generated from an image. Let me check the reference image. This is the reference image. Mind you, this is not a full portrait image directly as well, but this is the video that has been generated from it. And let me just increase the size and play it once again for you.
Hello. I'm Jayesh. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Let me play it on repeat mode so that you could know.
Hello. I'm Jayesh. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Hello. I'm Jayesh. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Hello. I'm Jayesh. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
So let me know what do you think about this workflow, about making videos from images. And I think this does a good job than LTX right now. We can use that also later. It's just kind of preferences. Anyways, thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the tutorial, please like and share the videos, and please subscribe to the channel so that I can continue doing so. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Peace.